So we've come up to Exclusive Automotive today to see Rob. While we were here, we've seen this little bad boy lurking about that he's got for sale. So obviously, we told him to chuck its keys, and he did, because he's good like that, is Rob. So, stage 3, Focus RS. We thought we'd get something a bit different on channel for people. We're normally a bit German biased, so one for Ford boys now. Really good spec on this car. I'm going to read it out for you because I'm not familiar with it at all. We've just jumped in it and joyrided it basically. So, it's got Auto Specialist Cold Air induction system. It's got Cytec Racing inlet manifold. It's on IBAC springs and spacers all round. Vibratechnics torque link. Jam Sport oil breather and catch tank. Full engine build, Wiseco forged pistons. Turbo Technics T38 turbo. Helix paddle clutch, which is horrible by the way, I've drove this already. HKS boost controller. AP racing brakes. Mountune catback exhaust. Mountune plenum. So plenty to go at, good spec. It's not being scrimped on. So yeah, we're going to get out with it and let's see what happens. Drives well apart from that. Surprised. I'm also pretty shocked. It moves as well. What do you reckon, Ollie?
It's fast, innit? Just a clutch.
Not bad for an old Focus, eh?
Not bad.
So we've just found boost controller settings. We've got it in its full map now, so see what it's got. It's fucking fast, to be fair, this. Better than I thought as well. I thought it'd be shy handling wise, but for a front wheel drive car, it's off. Sounds nice as well.
It does sound
like,
really good.
It definitely is around 4. Don't know what the figure on it is, but it feels 4-ish, 450. Definitely. Nice. Nice little pops. Overall, I'm actually quite impressed with it. I've not driven a fast Ford for years, a lot of years. But this feels nice. Actually, handles a lot better than the Ford. You get the usual bits of bounce with front wheel drive, but other than that, it feels nice. It's fast, handles well, sounds nice. Interior's actually not that bad either for a Focus. Still don't know if I'd go buy one, but it's not a bad car. Not a bad car at all. Clutch is heavy. It's got a performance clutch in it, and it's not light. Fucking hell, the clutch is awful. Do you know what? Overall, I'm actually quite impressed with it. I've not driven a fast Ford for years, a lot of years. But this feels nice. Actually, handles a lot better than the Ford. You get the usual bits of bounce with front wheel drive, but other than that, it feels nice. It's fast.